Welcome to J&H Tech Tips. Now we're going to use our multiple zigzag or our three-step zigzag to show you if you have a slice in your material or a tear in your material. Doesn't matter if it's a couple of different ways or anything. Doesn't even matter if this is plaid. I've actually done this on a plaid shirt, and I just matched the colors to the plaid. And every time I would show somebody that that repair, I would actually have to hunt for it because I couldn't find it right away. So we're just going to take, for example, here, what we need to do is we need to reweave this fabric. So I'm going to start a little bit before the tear, and I'm using a dark color thread so that you can see it. If you use the same color thread, if you match the color, it's actually really hard to see unless you look for it. So we're going to go to our three-step zigzag. We're going to make it 8 millimeters wide, and we're going to shorten this thing up quite a bit, because basically what we want to do is we want to essentially reweave this fabric. So we'll start here, and you'll see that your needle is going 3 steps to the right and 3 steps to the left. I'm going to go just a little bit past our seam, or our tear, I should say, not our seam. So we've gone a little bit past our tear, and now then you can, if I really pull on this, you can actually see that kind of open up. So what we're wanting to do there again is reweave this fabric. So I'm going to step a little, about a third off to the left. I'm going to do another seam. Okay, and so now we have stepped a little bit to the left. So we're catching some of the previous row of stitching, the three-step zigzag, and then some more of the fabric on the other side. So then we go about a third to move our fabric a little bit more than a third, or about a third to the left. We're going to do another seam on the other side of the tear. And what you'll notice is that seam does not open up at all. I did this on a tent that we got buried in the snow many years ago, and that tent to date, as far as I know, is still holding together. And that's all I did, and I seam sealed it so it wouldn't leak, of course, because it was on the tent fly. Now if we want to do the other one, it's with a real weird tear, a corner tear, we're going to do the same thing. Only this time, I'm going to stop with my needle down. And okay, and now then, I'm just going to turn the corner. Okay. Remember, you got to shift it a third one direction. And I'm going all the way through so that I can get this a little bit better. So you see how nice that makes it? Makes a great seam. You don't have to worry about problems with your seams or it coming undone later on you. And the three-step zigzag is just a wonderful stitch for a lot of different things. Like I say, sewing elastic on or mending small rips and tears. It's excellent. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and maybe leave me a comment what you think of this stitch. Thanks again for watching.